Do you want to sound like a native speaker? Yes, there are a lot of idioms that are spoken commonly by the native speakers, and in this video I'm going to share with you some of them that can be used in your speaking, Ielts speaking, or you can also use these kind of idioms in your daily routine so that you can become fluent. Now, before rolling the intro, I want to inform all my subscribers that I am starting with vlogging very soon that will definitely be related to English, which will be really beneficial for you all to learn different kind of slangs, different kind of accents, and it will be really fun doing that. Now, if you are new on my channel, please consider subscribing. And do not forget to press the bell icon, because without that you will not get notified whenever I will upload my new video. Now let's start with it. Guys, I have jotted down some of the notes over here. Let's start with the first idiom, and it's really amazing. It's a dime a dozen. A dime a dozen. A dime a dozen means the thing that is really common. जो चीज़ बहुत ही common है, that is called a dime a dozen. For example, nowadays I guess that Android phones are really common, so you can use this idiom like nowadays Android phones are really a dime a dozen. Okay, now moving on to the next, it is better late than never. It is better late than never. It can be used separately, because whenever you want to say that if going late is better than never going there, so there this idiom is used, better late than never. For example, now it's a situation of this virus, so here we can use that it's better late than never. Now moving on to the next idiom, it's really useful for the students as well as for the readers. It's hit the books. Hit the books. Hit the books means study, go for study. पढ़ने को कहते हैं hit the books. We can use this idiom like if you want to score high, hit the books. Moving on to the next, it's stab someone in the back. Stab someone in the back. ये बहुत ही common phrase है जो हम हिंदी में भी यूज करते हैं या पंजाबी में, कि पीठ पीछे वार करने को कहते हैं. Stab someone in the back. पीठ पीछे वार करने को कहते हैं stab someone. किसी का ट्रस्ट अगर तोड़ देता है कोई, तो वहाँ पे हम ये फ्रेज यूज कर सकते हैं stab someone in the back. We can use this idiom like it's really shocking that Prab stabbed Herman in the back last week. बहुत ही easy, and these are the idioms that can be used in our daily routine, so you can practice them by using it in your daily routine, and only then you will be fluent with this and you will be able to speak these kind of idioms in your exam. Okay, fifth cue idiom is break a leg. That's crazy. That's really crazy. Break a leg. Break a leg का meaning ये नहीं है कि लात तोड़ना किसी. It means that good luck. If you want to say anyone good luck, just say break the leg. जैसे हम कहते हैं कि चक दे फटे या चक दे पुत्त, ठीक है, वहाँ पे हम यूज़ करते हैं phrase. English में आप कह सकते हैं break a leg. Okay. Sixth, get out of hand. Get out of hand मतलब कि कंट्रोल में ना रहना. कुछ चीज़ें जब कंट्रोल में नहीं रहती, जब हम कहते हैं कि थोड़ा सा मुंडा ये तो निकल गया, तो वहाँ पे हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं idiom that get out of hand. The situation get out of hands. Okay. Seventh idiom is hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there हम वहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं जब हमने बताना हो, किसी को कहना हो, किसी को मोटिवेट करना हो कि don't give up, you can do it, you can do it. वहाँ पे हम ये idiom यूज़ कर सकते हैं hang in there. Eighth idiom is miss the boat. Oh, you missed the boat. Miss the boat मतलब late हो जाने को कहते हैं miss the boat. Have you seen my other videos? No, you missed the boat. You must watch that. Okay. Ninth idiom over here is on the ball. That's a very funny and funky kind of idiom that can be used in your daily routine. On the ball means doing a good job. If someone is doing a good job, you can say he's on the ball. He's on the ball. Okay, 11th idiom is under the weather. This is also a kind of idiom that can be used in your daily routine. but I must say that you must know, God bless you all, you do not need this. And it is under the weather. If a person is sick, at that time we can say, oh my God, I am under the weather today, so I want to leave. Okay, under the weather. 12th idiom is add insult to injury. जले पे नमक लगाने को कहते हैं add insult to injury. Add insult to injury. 13th idiom is cost an arm and a leg. That this cue card, this idiom can be used a lot at a lot of places. For example, you can use when your mobile phone gets damaged by some way, you can use that it will cost an arm and a leg. कि ये बहुत महंगा पड़ेगा मुझे. It will cost an arm and a leg. I recently bought a bed. It cost me an arm and a leg. I recently bought a pair of shoes. It cost me an arm and a leg. ठीक है, so this is the way with which you can use this idiom. Now moving on to the last idiom, it is every cloud has a silver lining. Every cloud has a silver lining का मतलब है कि हर बुरी चीज़ के बाद कुछ अच्छा होता है. वहाँ पे हम ये phrase use कर सकते हैं कि every cloud has a silver lining. After a lot of struggle, there is a success. When you want to say that after a lot of struggle, he struggled a lot, or something bad goes on and after that something good, you can use this idiom, and it is every cloud has a silver lining. I hope that these idioms will be really beneficial for you all, and I want to recommend you that please use them in your daily routine. By that only you will get familiar with it and will get fluent. Thank you for watching.